Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the new point from organic synthesis, that is Najaro's cyclization reaction. This is cyclization reaction in which the molecule reacted in presence of acid catalyst to form cyclic compounds. These are the example of acid catalyzed electrocyclic formation of cyclopentanone. These are the final product of this reaction from reagents like diphenyl ketone. These are the starting molecule of the reaction which can be converted into the final product, that is cyclopentanone. The diphenyl ketone, the molecule like general structure, that is R. These also are, it may be any alkyl or aryl groups. Diphenyl ketone, starting molecule of this reaction, reacted in presence of acid catalyst to form final product of this reaction like cyclopentanone. That is cyclization take place. These are the final product of this reaction. Now mechanism of this reaction. In this step first, the diketone reacted in presence of diphenyl ketone is reacted in presence of acid catalyst, that is the activation in presence of proton. The H plus ions electron deficient, the oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electron can be abstract H plus ions to form the molecule like the formation of pentadienyl cation, like these are the group. Here double bond, new bonding between the proton, that is H plus ions, therefore this oxygen contain positive charge. The positive charge electron deficiency. In the next step, this bonding electron shifted toward this electron deficient. That times this bonding electron shift, there is displacement of positive charge from oxygen to these carbon atoms, like OH. Here this bonding electron shifted toward this carbon atom, therefore this carbon contain again positive charge. These are the double bond R. In the next step, this pi bonded electron again shifted toward the electron deficient carbocation. Next step, this bonding electron shifted toward the electron deficient C plus ions to form the cyclic molecule like formation of 5-membered cyclic compound. There is a displacement of positive charge from this carbon atom toward this carbon atom, therefore these are the electron deficient ring carbon atoms. In this molecule, these are the positive charge, therefore the H plus ions eliminated with its bonding electron shifted toward these carbon atoms to form the single to double bond, that is formation of here double bond OH. These are the already present group, that is R. Now in the next step, tautomerism take place, that is enol to keto form. In the next step, there is keto-enol tautomerism, here enol, therefore this bonding electron shift to form single to double bonds, and this double bonded electron abstract H plus ions to form double to single bond, that is formation of final product of this reaction. Now the structure of the final product, like the cyclopentanone, here there is formation of enol to keto form, the already present group like R, these also R. The final product, that is cyclopentanone, formation of cyclopentanone. Now these are the practice examples. You can write correct mechanism as well as product of this reaction and then send answer image of this three problems, like this first, second and third one. Write mechanism and then send answer image of these problems.